So far, we've focused on tax implications for one side of the market, the lender. But what if you're the borrower? What are the tax implications of taking out a loan?
Cryptoslo, cryptocurrency news and investing.
Cryptoslo with more crypto gains. What's going on, guys? Hope you're enjoying that BTC run up today. Today we're going to talk a little bit about crypto taxes and some opportunities or possibilities for you in getting the most gains, shielded gains that is, out of your crypto portfolio. So with the recent rise in crypto, you may want to cash in some of those gains. The problem is, as soon as you make a trade and trade back to fiat, you've created a taxable event. Anytime that token leaves and gets converted to another token, it creates a taxable event. First and foremost, let me say, I am not an accountant. I'm not your tax advisor. Always talk to your certified accountant or whatever for tax advice. I am just getting this out there, and I'm going to talk to my accountant. But from what I can see, this looks like a fantastic strategy for leveraging your gains and optimizing your tax strategy. So let's get started. So to do this technique, basically you would use compound.finance. Compound Finance is a borrowing and lending platform. So what is the strategy? You're going to like this. So your ETH has gone up, but you don't want to sell it because you're going to have to pay those capital gains tax. Well, this is where loans come into place. So looking over at cryptotax.blog, I'm looking at this borrowing and taking out a crypto loan. So far, we've focused on tax implications of one side of the market. But what if you're the borrower? What are the implications of taking out a loan? If you take out a loan using crypto as collateral, you do not, read this, you do not create a taxable event. This is different from trading your crypto to another crypto and has advantages. Borrowing and taking out a crypto loan. So far, we've focused on tax implications for one side of the market, the lender. But what if you're the borrower? What are the tax implications of taking out a loan? If you take out a loan using crypto as collateral, you don't create a taxable event. This is different from trading crypto to crypto and has advantages. Example, John takes out a stable coin loan on his ETH. John receives 1,000 DAI. You send that DAI to Coinbase or USDC, and then you cash out to your bank account. John does not trigger a tax event when borrowing the 1,000 DAI. Are crypto loan payments tax deductible? Let's see. IRS has yet to set specific guidance surrounding interest payments. But anyways, the reality of this is that loans are not considered income because your original crypto is still in place. Okay, you're not trading it from one to the other. So if you're over on Compound and you've set supply, you go ahead and supply some ETH, and I would probably borrow like USD or something, or DAI. You transfer it, you cash it out, boom. Now, if you haven't used Compound Finance, I'll leave the link below to my tutorial on Compound Finance. But this is a fantastic way to cash out some of those gains and basically not create a taxable event. But as stated, make sure you check with your accountant on this. But so far, per the regulation, crypto loans are not considered taxable events because your original crypto is still in place. So hope you enjoyed today's video. Be sure to check out my merch stack that scrolls on all the videos now. That is currently live. And as always, this is Cryptoslo. If you're not talking gains, then we're not talking.